Fuel vehicles calling for the government to buy more of them, but significant doubts exist about the technology, and also the public acceptance is not too widespread. Gene Meserve reports.
There are 190 million gasoline-powered vehicles in the United States. They give us mobility and convenience and smog. Wending its way across the country right now, a cavalcade of buses and cabs, cars and vans, all powered by natural gas.
Natural gas vehicles pretty much have no pollution. You could take your handkerchief, put it on the exhaust pipe, and it'll come out just as clean as when you put it on the tailpipe.
Under orders from the federal government to clean up the air, vehicle manufacturers and others are experimenting with several alternatives to gasoline. Natural gas is clean, cheap, and abundant, but it takes a lot to go a long distance, and fueling stations can be hard to find. Propane is readily available, but not as clean. Methanol lowers some emissions, but is dangerous. Ethanol is expensive to produce. Reformulated gasoline will not significantly improve air quality. One analyst says all fall short in a critical area.
And they've ignored the problem of global warming, which is the problem. It is the problem which is going to dictate our energy future, much more so than, say, air quality.
With present technology, electric cars have limited range, but many experts believe they are the future.
They're quiet, they're quick, and the major advantage is that they're environmentally clean.
The federal government is giving a $4,000 tax deduction for electric cars, $2,000 for a car fueled by natural gas, propane, methanol, or ethanol. Gene Meserve, CNN, Washington.